Welcome. The following Unity Living Sacred Garden affirmations will assist you with using your thoughts and words optimally so you may receive the profound benefits of this particular transmission by doing so. Feel free to repeat after each sentence fragment of each affirmation, either aloud or inwardly. Let's prepare the body now to enter into the state of contemplation or meditation. As you take a comfortable seated position, gently close your eyes. Allow the spine to elongate from its base up to the top of your head, and follow the breath as you breathe in and out, and in and out. Feel the body loosen and relax, layer by layer, as you allow it to melt into the seat beneath you. As you continue to follow the breath in and out, and as you allow it to release more and more and more into the seat beneath you, double or even triple the level of relaxation in your body. With every in-breath and out-breath, know that your intention to contemplate the following affirmations helps keep your vibration high and your thoughts aligned with your divine purpose. And so we begin. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. As I slip into my unique sacred garden space, with every in-breath and out-breath, I surrender negative thought patterns, emotions, or feelings as they present themselves, layer by layer, to my unity bubble. With deep love and infinite gratitude, I receive profound healing on the soul and etheric level. In this sacred healing space that offers a secure foundation to my well-being and alignment. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. I welcome joy, peace, and and balance into my life. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. As I enjoy the comfort of my sacred garden space, and with every in-breath and out-breath, I surrender my busy mind and body and any distractions that may present themselves to me with great love, gratitude, and ease. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. As I continue to rest, rejuvenate, and heal in my sacred garden space, all other unity living transmissions further ground, settle, and embody my total being, creating positive future timelines in my life. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. With every in-breath and out-breath, I grow more relaxed, more at ease in my body, and more aligned with my higher self. Positive timeline and 5D path. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. With every in-breath and out-breath, I grow healthier, more balanced, emotionally, mentally, and physically, more at ease with those around me, and more fulfilled on every level in my life. I accept this profound healing from unity, the one infinite creator, and the universe, with love and gratitude. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. As I enjoy the comfort, deep relaxation, and healing that I am receiving in my sacred garden space, and with every in-breath and out-breath I take, my newfound inner child becomes more and more integrated with my adult self. We experience joy and love in our reunion as we move toward full integration. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. With every in-breath and out-breath, I always remember that my sacred garden is available to me whenever I choose to enter it, and that I merely need to imagine myself there. And I am there, enjoying and benefiting from every healing energy it offers on a soul, etheric, physical, mental, and emotional level. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. And with every in-breath and out-breath, I am that. I am. Continue to ride the breath in and out of your body. Remember to always be aware of your words and your thoughts, which are just as powerful as your words, if not more so. Speak in the affirmative and in the present tense, as the universe hears only the positive. Avoid saying, "I don't like," as the universe hears, "I like," and as a result, what you don't like is sent to you. Avoid saying, "I want." It will keep you in a perpetual state of wanting and therefore not receiving in the present now. Know that your positive intentions and affirmations have been heard by the universe and will manifest accordingly. Let's prepare now to return to the room. With a deep sense of gratitude, Bring your attention back to your body. Feel it energize as it becomes filled with the light of your awareness. When you open your eyes, you will return feeling refreshed and invigorated, more aligned with your higher purpose and your higher self, and more positive than ever. And now, gently open your eyes. Welcome to our new Unity Consciousness Earth and the limitless possibilities it holds. Adonai.